Hello, welcome to CapSim, Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, round 1 detailed guide for round 1 for production this season. So this is very detailed video for walk through on the season for round 1. If you follow this strategy, you can get the top results. As you see on the screen, we invest in round 1, 2 and 3, and then from round 4 to 8 we get top sale and top profits and top stock price like you see on the screen. So I show you the detail now for production. You can check the other video for R&D, marketing, and now video for production, and also video for HR, finance, and TQM. You also see the top 10 winning tips here. We use the industry condition report I showed you in the previous video. Use the Excel file to calculate R&D, update R&D each round, add new product in round 1 to 3, sets prices, calculate the sales forecast, and now we calculate the production schedules, and also we add new capacity, increase automation for the season. We check number 7, 8 and 9, the 3 winning tips in this video. So you can see the previous video in marketing, we calculate the sales forecast from here. We use spread number 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to check the 5 segment and calculate the sales forecast here. And also we take the production analysis here to see the unit we sold last round and inventory. We use the Excel file to calculate the sales forecast, and we deduct the inventories here, and then we get the production schedule. So we input into the game, input that into the game for production schedule. So it's very clear that we have the sales forecast here, and then we input the production. We input the production. You see that 1447, very important, so input carefully, right? Remember, number from student to student may be different, so do not copy and paste the number. I show you the strategy, you understand it under the meaning of what decision you make and then why you do that, and then you can apply for your game. So do not copy the number, right? I say it again and again. We do not need this much capacity, so we sell, we buy more. This one we do not need that much. I show you the reason why. The demand here only 1006, the capacity is too much, so we sell that. The demand here is quite large, so we do not have enough. We have only 1004, so we need to buy more capacity for next round. We can produce only 2008, 200% of capacity, because we have 2 shifts a day, and this we don't need that much. The demand is 600, we don't need 900, so we sell 300. This is enough for a few rounds, so we buy more capacity for the new product. Automation, we can increase that to save the cost. Increase contribution margin, so we increase this, and we set automation to here to 6.5, right? For the new product low end. So next round we can start production this one and double the sale and double the profit. So this is very important. That's the only season for production. We can check the budget limit here, right? We use all the budget limit, close to all the budget limit, right? So that's all the decision for production. I show you we have calculate the production schedule here, add new capacity and sell surplus capacity and increase automation. That's 3 winning tips, right? If you follow this, you can get the top sale and top profit like you see on the screen. Top sale and top profit. Yeah, you see on the screen, top sale, top profit. If you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.